Hello, and today we're taking you through the Cadillac Hotel room reveal. We stayed in room 735 on the 7th floor. It seems to be a new room that they created, and as our number wasn't actually on the directory. The room was large and spacious as we requested because we were on our honeymoon. There was a large screen TV slightly off-centre to the bed, but it was big enough and comfortable enough to see. There was a comfortable table, bar, sofa, and wide windows which went on two walls around the room. The room had a closet which featured an ironing board which was broken, an iron, some hangers and some robes which we didn't actually use, as well as the standard things like the laundry bags and some storage space for clothing below. The cabinet was small, but it was functional for what we needed, which was a 3-night stay. The bathroom was a lovely decor made of marble and gold effect. The toilet seat when we arrived was up, so this is just me closing it. And we've got about 4 towels in the room which were clean. The bathroom itself had a nice shower with 2 shower heads and all gold fixings, which is like the new popular design. Everything seems to be gold nowadays. As you can see, the mosaic floor in the bath, which was very pretty, and the marble effect tiles. The shower comes with the necessary sort of standard requirements of shower gel. They were L'Occitane, shower gel, conditioner and shampoo on these pumps, which obviously they refill. And then they kindly gave us 1 sponge, which is weird because there's like 2 people staying in the room, but maybe they expected us to share sponges. Is that weird? Do people share sponges? I don't think so. But yeah, I used it kindly. My husband let me use it. And yeah, the shower was nice, powerful, warm. It worked. We were happy with it. One thing that was a bit weird, the handle of the doors, the screw seemed to have come out or was loose when once we had arrived. No one had fixed it, or maybe no one had told maintenance about it. We didn't either. We just left it as it was and left. The views from the room were quite nice. We were on the 7th floor, so we managed to get some gorgeous time-lapse footage, which I'll put in here, of the sun rising in Miami. And over there you can see downtown Miami. And we're not so far from the beach. The hotel is actually backed onto a beach, so you can go straight to the beachfront from the hotel, and included in the fee or the resort fee is you get access to the beach and the lounge chairs. But there are some restaurants outside across the road that you can check out. We went to an awesome Mexican place that was just up the road from here. So back to the room, as you can see, there is a sofa which I think has a bed functionality if you did want to add a third person to the room. The bar comes with an espresso and a few pods for you to use, as well as little mini alcoholic beverages which are not included, and an ice bucket, 2 cups, and a coffee condiment pack, all included when we arrived. We are not really big coffee drinkers or alcohol drinkers, so they stayed as they were. The hotel also provides you with 2 bottles of water, which we used and drank. And then obviously you've got some outlets here for the plugs, so USB and 2 plug sockets. We tend to travel with extension leads because we've got so much electronics that we have to charge up at one go. So we just use that there. And the room comes with 2, again, gold accented mirrors, 1 full length, 1 face one. And that's the room.